a free indicator brought to you by Myforex. Today, we'll take a look at the higher time frame indicator, a tool that displays the technicals from a higher time frame on the current chart. In this video, we'll cover the oscillators, which allows you to display the MACD, RSI, and stochastics. For instance, if you wish to check the technicals of the daily chart before trading at a shorter time frame, you can use this indicator to display the technicals of the daily chart on top of the hourly chart. You no longer have to worry about splitting screens or switching windows. This indicator can be used for all time frames available in MT4 and MT5. Select the time frame of your liking. Please note that you cannot display technicals with a time frame lower than the current chart. Make sure to select a higher time frame than the chart. Furthermore, out of the three technicals, RSI and stochastics can be displayed in the same sub-window. However, MACD can't be displayed with the other indicators. If you wish to show all the technicals, move the two higher time frame indicators to the chart and display the MACD on a separate sub-window. Also, one last thing. When using this indicator, you cannot display the MACD after the RSI and stochastics. If you get an error, delete the higher time frame indicator from the chart and try again, or apply a new higher time frame indicator on the chart. That's it for the higher time frame indicator. Please refer to the user manual for more details. We hope that this tool will help you in your daily trades.